Hi guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja. And for today's video, I'm doing the most requested video on my channel, which is a what's in my bag. You guys have been asking for this video from forever and I thought it's time that I make this video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay, so typically for a what's in my bag video, I am going to be needing to show you guys my bag. So here is my very beautiful and gorgeous bag. So this bag is from Zouk online. So Zouk is an Indian brand that makes 100% cruelty free and vegan products. Like the leather that you see all over, it's vegan and it's gonna give you the experience of guilt-free fashion. Now what I really love about this bag is its fabric and the way it has been made. It's a handmade bag and the fabric that has been used over here is called ikat, like the design and the print is ikat. It's a great and amazing way to keep the Indian tradition alive, and that's what I really like about the brand Zouk. Now if you check out their website, you can really find products like accessories, bags, and in bags also you can find tons of different types and styles, you know, from laptop bags to tote bags to slings, name it and you're gonna find it. Now talking about how the bag is made, first of all, love the color, love the size. It's great for office going people like me. I have to go to meetings and earlier I used to go to office also. So it's a perfect bag for an everyday use because it can hold a lot of, you know, like your stuff. So the leather that you see is completely vegan and it's black in color, and I love this. This ikat print brings, you know, a very beautiful traditional touch to the bag, yet the design and everything is so modern, so classy and so chic. So this is how the bag looks. This is the one side and this is the other side. I agree, it's a beautiful bag. Now it comes with a single zipper. Here it is. So smooth. And inside the bag, now I know I'll have a lot of stuff that I'm going to show you guys in a while. So now if you look inside, it has a lot of space and it comes with a compartment, you know, like an inner compartment, and that can hold your laptop, like a different compartment for your laptop especially. And it also comes with like these small compartments in which you can keep like your, you know, like small things like pen, your keys, or you know, like just very small things that you don't want to lose in your bag. And then it has ample space to keep a lot of stuff right here. So in case you guys are interested in buying any product from Zouk, then you can use my code mentioned on the screen right now and you can avail a 15% discount on your purchase. Okay, now that we're done talking about the bag, let's actually talk about what's really inside my bag. Now if you ask me, I feel like I can survive with this bag for like so long. I can go to shoots, I can go to a party, I can go to a trip, I can literally go to anywhere if I have this bag. I've been carrying all this stuff since 2 to 3 years now and I feel like this is enough and I love what my bag has inside. So okay, let's get started. We'll start with the very basic stuff. First thing first, I have my keys, and the reason I found my keys so quickly is because the bag has like 3 to 4 compartments and un compartments mein hi main ye apni keys rakhti hu. So I have my scooter keys and my home key, and it has a very random sa keychain, this thing that my brother gave me. So yeah, I'm not really big on keychains. The next thing out of my bag are these tissues. Like अभी खत्म होने वाला है ये पैक, इसमें 1 या 2 ही टिश्यूज बचे हैं. So these are like your normal tissues that you use, you know, sometimes कुछ लग गया गिर गया, so उसके लिए like, you know, very normal tissues. Okay, next up we have some Tic Tac mints. So I have this mild mint, aromatic mint. This makes your mouth very cool, so perfect for winters as well. So a mint, very important actually. Okay, now moving on, I have, what is that? Okay, moving on, I have this a notebook or a diary sort of thing. I got this notebook from Super 99 and it was, I think, for rupees 200 or 150 or so. So it is like a spiral notebook and इसके अंदर मैं कभी भी on the go काफ़ी चीज़ें लिखती हूँ. If I have to just show you something, so I'm actually shooting for a recipe video and here is the recipe written, which says soya biryani and stuff like that. So yeah, I like write my shots and how I'm gonna work. On the go चीज़ें मैं सारी इसके अंदर अपनी लिखती हूँ. So yeah, diary is a must, I think so. So yeah, diary is a must, I think so. You would be needing to write it. So in no particular order, the next thing we have is a pair of shades. Now I am not really big on shades. You guys know that I wear like normal glasses, so I don't wear shades a lot. But then sometimes for pictures, or sometimes like actually you need shades. Kabhi hawa वगैरह ज़्यादा लग रही होती है, or if I'm not driving and if I'm sitting with someone, so उस time I can like wear it. So it has like these white shades. I'm gonna look super crazy right now, but you know, yeah, I mean these are like white and black, so perfect for pictures any day. And these are from Shein. So yeah, I told you I'm not like really big on shades and everything else. So मेरे पास इतने अच्छी quality या इतने महंगे नहीं मिलेंगे. So this is the only one that I carry. Okay, the next thing and the most important thing, yeah, tech. I have this power bank. This is by JK Tyre. I think we bought some phone and उसके साथ हमें ये free मिला था. So power bank, I used to really use power banks like iPhone लेने से पहले, because my Android's battery was shit. But I think my iPhone XR's battery is pretty fine. मुझे बहुत कम ज़रूरत पड़ती है, but because I'm always shooting on the phone and doing all that stuff, so you never know. So that's why I have my power bank with me. Now while we're talking about power bank, let's just talk about the original battery source, my phone charger. Every time I'm stepping out of the house, yes, I literally put this in my bag, and when I get home मैं ये charger निकाल के वापस रख देती हूँ, because this is something जो मैं हर जगह लेके जाती हूँ. I just cannot survive on zero battery, or I cannot imagine myself running out of battery, you know, like peak Pisces behavior. So yeah. Okay, next thing, I have a spare mask. This is a packaged mask. Usually मैं अपना मास्क लेके चलती हूँ और लगा के चलती हूँ, but just in case I lose my mask, या फिर हो चुका है मेरे साथ, मैंने अपना मास्क एक दो जगह गुम करा है. So that's why I keep a spare mask. Okay, so the next thing that I have is a sanitary napkin. This I think this is from Whisper. So you guys know I use menstrual cups, and I'm not into pads. I think it's been 2 years that I've used a pad, but this I have kept just for emergency, not for myself but for my fellow ladies out there. कितनी बार मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, like in office or work, या फिर बहुत सारी जगह, that some stranger and like my known people, yeah, ladies have come up to me and they've asked like, if you have a pad, I just got my periods. So उसके लिए I keep it, and I would highly recommend to any girl watching this video, please keep a pad with yourself. Not for yourself, but कभी कभी किसी और को भी ज़रूरत हो सकती है, and you never know when you are going to need it. So a pad just for safety. Safe to say 2 साल हो गए मैंने एक भी पैड नहीं यूज़ किया है, and ये भी काफ़ी टाइम से मेरे बैग में पड़ा हुआ है. Okay, so the next thing is some wet wipes. ये भी बस मैंने बैकअप के लिए रखे हुए हैं, you know, sometime, someday. Mostly पहले क्या होता था that I used to work in an office, and sometimes I used to go to these blogger meets or events directly from office. So फिर sometimes I had to just retouch my makeup or do a lot of things. फिर I cannot carry like a makeup remover all the time. So for that reason I have these wet wipes. These are from My Glam, and kills 99% germs, wipe out, sanitize, clean, moisturize. So yeah, they seem pretty good quality, and ये काफ़ी सस्ते हैं यार. These are like for 69 rupees only. Avoid करो इनका use, but कभी backup के time पे ज़रूरत पड़े तो you can use it. Okay, next up I have my wallet. This should be the first thing coming out of my bag, but okay. This is a very cute and a pretty wallet. This wallet is from Miniso, and इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. It comes with a lot of. Okay, my chiller is out, I'll pick it up later. So I keep my chiller and my cards and everything else right in here. Problem is that I opened my wallet ulta, so that's why all of my chiller went out. But anyways, some cash, cards and all of that stuff. Okay, another very important thing is hand sanitizer. I keep this little छोटू सी bottle. This was at my place. So again, ज़्यादातर जगहों पे होता है sanitizer available, but then कहीं कहीं जगहों पे नहीं भी होता sanitizer available. So उस time के लिए I keep a sanitizer. This I used to keep before COVID also. Okay, rubber bands, 2 of them. Okay, इसमें बाल भी लगा हुआ है. So this rubber band I stole from Monica. It's a very nice spiral thingy. So it's very great for making like loose buns. And then I have like a black rubber band in case I need it. And then I have 2 Tic Tac clips. So ये मैं ऐसे इकट्ठे रखती हूँ. Okay, moving on. I have You guys are going to have such a great laugh on this because look at it. So I've been meaning to buy a case for my earphones because I hate if my earphones get tangled. अभी अगर आप इनको खोलोगे ना तो बहुत आराम से खुल जाएंगे. So वो मेरे पास नहीं है अभी and I don't know why, but वो मैंने आज तक लिया नहीं है. So I use my clutcher, which I really use a lot in my daily life. Every time I'm going out, I go with my open hair and I come back with this clutcher in my hair. So I just use this clutcher and मैं इसको ऐसे कर देती हूँ. So what happens is कि ये intact रहते हैं और ये ऐसे खुलते भी नहीं हैं and I can use them anytime I want. Again, earphones are necessary because sometimes I'm on the go, I'm editing on the go. If you guys have seen my last vlog, you guys know I was editing while we were going to Monica's house. So the last thing that is in my bag is my precious pouch. So much of stuff in this pouch. Like, this is the real deal, okay? This has all of my great stuff. So if anyone is interested in where I got this pouch from, so this pouch is from Nykaa. I got a PR from Nykaa Wanderlust. They launched their body butters. So tab ka ye mere paas pouch pada hua hai. And I'm gonna just open it and show everything that I have in this. कुछ चीज़ें visible भी है बाहर से, so वही से start करते हैं. So the first thing that I have is a pepper spray. Living in India, you need a pepper spray. So this is the Bodyguard self-defense pepper spray. Now I know it's very funny that I've kept my pepper spray like so deep into my bag के अंदर pouch के अंदर pepper spray. But yeah, इसमें ना कहीं keychain लगाने वाला है नहीं. So I'll look for another pepper spray जो keychain में लग जाए so that it's more accessible. But जब तक वो मेरे पास नहीं है तब तक I think I can use this. The next thing that is actually visible from this pouch is a comb. You guys do not know कितनी बार इस comb ने मेरी इज्जत बचाई है. So a lot of people prefer keeping hair brushes, but I think I'm still a comb girl. I like combing my hair using this kind of comb only. So yeah, a comb in my bag. Then I have this very little छोटू सा notepad like that. इसमें छोटे से white pages हैं. You can just write something and pull it off. इसको मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती because I have the diary, but कभी किसी को ऐसे randomly paper चाहिए होता है and then they say अपनी डायरी से पेपर फाड़ के दे दो and I cannot do that, so I just offer them कि इससे ले लो या फिर इस पे लिख लो, but I am not going to let you spoil my diary. A lot of people ask for paper यार, so for that purposes I've kept it. The thing that is quite visible is a pen. पेन मैंने इसके अंदर रखा है because पेन की बहुत टेंडेंसी होती है बैग में गुम हो जाने की, that I don't want because जब ज़रूरत होता है ना तब सामान मिलता नहीं है. So पेन मैंने इसलिए इसके अंदर अलग से रखा हुआ है. So this is a normal pen. Then I have my beautiful, my favorite Zara perfume. Here it is. Perfume collection में मैंने दिखाया था ये, and उस दिन भी मैंने इसको लगाया था और आज मैं फिर से इसको लगा रही हूँ. This is the Zara Bright Rosé perfume. This is the mini perfume. I think it retails for ₹390. आप Zara की वेबसाइट पे देख सकते हो या आप इन स्टोर भी ले सकते हो. And I keep this in a cover because I've dropped it twice or thrice and I think कि मैं इसे तोड़ने के बहुत करीब हूँ. So I'm going to protect it as long as I can. Now only beauty products are left in it, so let's pull something out. So this is the Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Hand Nourishing Cream. I can never get enough of hand creams. I have this thing where my hands go dry super fast and I just cannot function with dry hands or like anything dry. I cannot. Next up I have these two travel size minis from Kama Ayurveda. This is how they look. Super cute. So the first one is the Kama Ayurveda Iladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream. That is how this looks like. And then we have the Kama Ayurveda Hand Cream. I told you I can never get enough of hand creams. So this is the face cream for my face, and I'm more of a no makeup kind of a person. So when I go out, I am like 50 to 60% no makeup only. And there is a high tendency that my skin goes dry or I just feel like my face is a little bit dry. So उस purpose के लिए I can use a face cream and hand creams. Like I told you, I just love collecting hand creams. I love using hand creams. So another hand cream that I really like. Okay, the next thing again, it's from Kama Ayurveda. This is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Vetiver Water. This is face and body mist, steam and distilled, and it's a very chotu si, cute si, mini si bottle, and that's why I really like it. Again, summers, sometimes you just need the hydration on the go, and it smells so cool. It has like this earthy smell. जब आप अपने कूलर में पानी डालते हो या फिर जब आप सीमेंट की दीवार में पानी डालते हो ना, जैसी वो खुशबू आती है, एक सौंधीनेस, that kind of smell this product has, and that's why I really like it. Okay, so the last and the only two beauty products that I actually have, these were all skincare. I have two lipsticks. ये भी मैंने बहुत recently रखना शुरू करा है because एक बार मुझे ऐसे lipstick की ज़रूरत पड़ गई थी और मेरे पास थी नहीं, and then I realized that everyone keeps a lipstick in their bag but I don't. So yeah, so I have the Nykaa Matte Luxe lipstick. This is in the shade Truffle. It's a beautiful brown shade. I've recently done a swatch video on my Instagram where I swatched 12 shades from the Matte Luxe range, so you guys can go and check it out. And I think I should swatch it. So yeah, it's a very beautiful brown nude, like thoda sa dark mein brown nude. You can totally use it as your blush as well, so it's a very beautiful shade. And the next thing that I have is this. It's a very old purchase. I don't know like कौन लेके आया है, मुझे मेरे घर में मिली and मैंने रख ली. So this is the L'Oreal Paris L'Oreal Riche lipstick, and this is in the shade 179 Cherry Tile. I don't think ये कहीं पे भी available मिलता भी है कि नहीं, but this is how the product looks like. And ये last है, but like इसके आगे नहीं निकलेगा because मैंने इतना use कर लिया. A lot of people would feel that this is a red lipstick, but this is not. This is actually a, I don't know what it is. Like, can you guys see? ये वाला. It feels like a lip balm, but it has a very pretty cherry sort of a color. And अगर आप इसको ऐसे करोगे ना, so you can actually use it as a blush. So it's a very nice sort of a lip tint sort of a thing, lip balm sort of a thing. Just like I like hand creams, similarly I am obsessed with lip balm. So this comes very close to a lip balm and it has color as well. Okay, now last up we have some boring stuff. I have a few safety pins. I don't know, wardrobe malfunction होने के बहुत ज़्यादा chances होते हैं, especially हम girls के, given the kind of अतरंगी सतरंगी कपड़े and tops we wear. So you never know when you need a safety pin. So the light went off and we are going to complete this video without that. So the next thing that I have is this Biotique Bio Almond Lip Balm. Fan of lip balms. अभी मेरे बैग में सिर्फ 2 मिली हैं. Usually I have like one in my pocket also and one in my Activa also, one or two in my bag also. I am just obsessed with lip balms. Also I have like super dry and chappy lips, so lip balm is a like real necessity for me. So I have this Biotique lip balm, great product, super cheap. It retails only for ₹25. You can try any lip balm out there. I think lip balms सारे अच्छे होते हैं. So okay, last up I have only 2 things left and then we're done with this video. So this I have the Butterflow black ball pen, another pen, and then we have some medicine. This is I think vomit medicine. I also keep Disprin right now, but it's finished abhi. I think the last time I went out मैंने खा ली होगी. So yeah, talking about this one, I have motion sickness. Okay, so whenever I travel in car, like there are chances that I vomit. So to control that, I keep these vomiting meds. Although they don't really work, but I still keep them. So that was it for what's in my bag. My bag is literally खुल गया, पूरा खलारा पड़ा हुआ है, and my bag is empty completely. Now I can actually show you the compartments. So if you guys can see, so this is the compartment for your laptop, and here we have like 3 to 4 compartments to keep your keys and you know like little stuff like that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. Do let me know if any of these products you also keep in your bag, और इस वीडियो को देख के आपको कोई recommendation मिली कुछ सामान अपने बैग में रखने की. Do let me know that. Share your honest feedback in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, ta ta and namaste.